Hello everyone, my name is Anand Kumar Jha and you are watching Code with Anand. So in the today's video, I'm not going to talk about any Salesforce video series right now and not about the coding tutorial. But in today's video, I'm going to share about one of my certification journey, Salesforce certification journey. Yesterday I cleared my Salesforce certified Omni Studio developer exam. So I'm just going to talk about that. What is the Omni Studio and how to prepare for that? What is the work of that developer Omni Studio developers? So let's go to the trailhead and let's meet to the Omni Studio. So this is my trailhead profiles where you can get that everything like my trails which are preparing for and progress and trail mixes and everything. And from the community you can get into all the Q&A sessions here, like a question and answer. If you have any doubts, you can ask them, and if you know the answers, then you can reply them on the answers through community page, everything. So today's video we just talked about only Omni Studio. So you can see that this is my profile where yesterday I completed my Omni Studio Salesforce certified developer exam, and this is automatically added to my profile through the web SSS. And I will also talk about how to register for that exam when we completed the Salesforce PD1 series. And after that I will also make video series on Omni Studio developer certification exam. So for that, stay tuned on my channel and share with your friends who are really want to work in a Salesforce developer, work as a Salesforce developer. So yeah, share with them too. And this is the trailhead through which you can prepare for the Salesforce Omni Studio developer exam. Omni Studio just a basic what can I say, it's like a guided path through which you can develop the applications for a client, like for a customer care. You just call them and he asks you some questions, and through that guided path he can reach to the destination, like what should he reply. So we create that kind of applications here in the with the help of Omni Studio. You don't need to do any codings here much, just drag and drop and everything, like much easier than that. This is awesome. So you can prepare for that. I will make the video series on this Omni Studio developer certification exam also, and the practical labs, with the practical labs. So just stay tuned here. And this is the study and prepare here. Through this trail mixes you will get all the labs here, practical things, you will know that about that. So this is the exam guide, and all the trail hits like Omni Studio architecture, what is Omni Studio, how to do all the things here, and what is the flex card, what is the Omni script, and the data adapter. Data adapter is simple, like we use in SQL, like or any database language, we use a query to fetch the data. Similarly here we are using integration procedure and data adapter for fetching the data from the Salesforce or external resources. And we use FlexCard and OmniScript as a front-end developer for through which user can interact with their data. And there is calculation procedure also, with the complex mathematical problem you can solve with that, like matrices. And you can get all the PDFs and resources from here. And if you have any doubts regarding the Omni Studio, you can ask me on the Telegram channel, like Code with Anand, or in the group Coding Data, or you can join also on Facebook, which is link I given in the description. So yeah, this is about the brief introduction about the Omni Studio, and I will show you my certificate yesterday I got. And yeah, and this Omni Studio developer certificate look like this, like certified Omni Studio developer, presented to Anand Kumar Shah for successfully completing the certification requirement 15 September 2021. So this really looks awesome when you get the certification. And yeah, this is the my certification which I get yesterday. And this is where I prepare for my certification, and I did all my labs here, like on the Salesforce playground. Like we are developing our application in the Salesforce PD1, like our playground. Same here, you need to get one org for Omni Studio also. If you want to see, I will show you that how it look like login dot sales. You just click login on dot salesforce.com and use your different account. What is my Omni Studio exam? Let me check that. Mm, just remove that. and you will get this one. This one is my Omni Studio org, I think, and let's open that, and you will see how to develop all the things in the Omni Studio. Just switch to the writing experience, and yeah, it takes time because of my slow internet connection. So I will just show you how it look like Omni Studio developer exams. Like, yeah, you will get interface like this. Just click on here. It's take time, a little bit taking time to refresh all the things. Like everything you will get here, launch app launcher where you can launch all the your applications developed by you, and similar everything like gear icon through where you can go to the setup and fetch all the data and everything. And here you will get like Omni script. When you click on here, let me show you. Like here you can get Omni Studio and Omni Studio Console. Omni Studio Console where you can launch your developed application, and Omni Studio is the framework where we develop our applications. Like here Omni Script. When you click on Omni Script, come on, and just click on here. You will get all your like developed Omni Script, Flex Card, Velocity cards, Flex Card. By the way, in the very beginning there is for Omni Studio name was Velocity, but right now it's changing to Omni Studio. So everything is like Omni Studio Flex Card, Omni Studio Data Adapter, Integration Procedure, Calculation Matrices, and everything. And if you just want to see that, I will show you how Flex Card look like. And this is the integration data adapter. Here you can get the see the Flex Card as how it look like. Just let it launch. Just here sometimes because due to the slow internet connection, it's taking time to launch the flex cards. So if you want, I just show you how any flex card look like. Which flex card I will show you. Let's suppose that any contact sample account details flex card or account card. Yeah, let's say that account card I just want to show you. So just click it. Let's hope that there is something on the card. Yeah, this is the flex card where it looked like, and all the fields like actions we are doing here. We can create our fields like text. We can use state use, menu use, image use, icon use. We can use everything here from here fields, and you will get all the fields here like in the element from here and everything. In the properties panel you can change everything regarding whatever you like. Then style you can do. Then in the setup we use our data sources here through which we fetch the data from the background. And when you click here preview, you can just instantly preview it. Means how it look like when we deploy this to the org or console. So it look like it, you can just taste it here how it look like. So this is just you can say that the intro regarding the Omni Studio. What this is the fly out and everything, we will talk about that. So yeah, we develop our application in this console. So that's all from my side for the Omni Studio. And when the PD1 certification series will end, then I will start making videos on this Omni Studio also. So be continue and stay on the channel and subscribe and press the bell icon and share with your friends who are preparing and really want to prepare for the Salesforce. Thank you everyone.